firms like retailers will just, if you go give them directly, right, they will take a graph paper and plot it, memorize the colors.
This particular solution is primarily focused on empowering weavers, who are the almost heartbeat of India, weaving being the second largest occupation in India. This innovation is focused on helping improve the value of the product the weavers make, and also helping them in making those weaves without mistakes. It's about how AI and current day technology augments the artisans of India in making their art better. New sari design, right, which is intricate and which is at a detail level, takes months for the design process. And it's only from the concept to weave, to get there itself, it takes about 2 months in most cases. So we are trying to reduce that timeline, so more and more intricate products will get made, and that will get down to from the concept to weave much. Back in those days, people started doing the craft, doing the work from very early ages. But in current day, when younger generation adopts it, they don't stay with the craft simply because it takes time and because it doesn't earn them enough livelihood. So our focus was to let this art thrive in the world. And many such artisans, and this is really special to India as a nation, and that's one reason why we very closely worked with artisans and found their problems of where they possibly can make mistakes and how it affects them, and created the solution to alleviate those problems.
Practical demo of it